Hello everyone. Here we are going to see about the Unit 3 continuation. So in this presentation we are going to see what is copyright and what are the types, and then we are going to see about what is trademark, what are the what are the different types of trademarks are available, and then we are going to see about the Geographical Indication Act. What is copyright? So it is a legal right which is created by the law of country that will grant the creator of original work. So if the exclusive rights to its use and its distribution for a limited time. So that is original literary, dramatic, musical and artistic works. So no, there will be no copyrights in the ideas of facts and the cinematograph films and the sound recordings. So most of the copyright works will be done by their created works. So that is the original work which will be granted by the creators. Rights. So there are two kinds of rights. One is the moral rights and another is economic rights. So moral rights, it means to protect the personality of author. So that is the right of authorship, right of integrity, inalienable rights. Everything will be comes under the moral rights. Then it is the economic rights. So economic rights means that is to bring the economic benefits. That is reproduction, distribution, communication to public, translation, right to make the cinematography or sound recordings. All these things are economic benefits or economic rights. Securing the copyrights. So when we are having to secure the copyrights means that is the formality of the free protections, voluntary registration, that is S44 and 45, then registration which does not as a matter of law, which will establish that what is registered in fact and in law, which is copyrightable job subject matters. So this will be secures the copyright works. So that is when the copyrights will be agreed, that is we have to apply the general provisions, and then we have to select the particular protections for securing our copyright data. Duration of copyright. So normally for literary, artistic or dramatic works, it should be published during the lifetime of author. So when the author has been dead or anything happens, means the lifetime of the copyright will be from a life plus 60 years will be the duration of the copyrights. So all the other works will be the 60 years from the date of publication. So it should be works from government and organization, cinema and sound recordings, then photographer. Everything will be comes under the duration of copyright. Next, what is industrial design? So industrial design means that is it is only the features of shape, configuration, pattern, ornament or composition of lines or colors which will be applied to any article, whether in 2 or 3 dimensional or in the both dimensions we can use the industrial design. Everything is that it is very solely to the eyes. So that is the main important things for industrial design. So some of the sample examples of the industrial designs are, we can say that the flusher type brush should be in a different design. Okay, most of the companies are having the different types of designs. Tiles, bags, iron box, bottle, next scissor, ring, jewels, clock, everything, embroidery, everything will be comes under the samples of industrial design. So the rights of the registered owner. So the owner of the registered design has an exclusive right to apply the design which is to an article in the class which is the design is registered. So the period of protection is about 10 years and it is extendable by 5 years also. So these are the rights of the registered owners. What is not registerable? So that is the design which is not new or original, that will not be registered. And also if the design is being disclosed by the public, means we have to check the priority level of the filing. So when the filing is in the appropriate date, then the design pattern will be registered. So the design which is not significant significantly distinguishable from known designs or combination of known designs. Okay, so the design which is contrary to public order or morality here. Okay, so these are the things we have to check whenever we have to register the design patterns. Next, not registrable articles. That is, what are the not registrable articles? Means calendars, certificates, forms, greeting cards, leaflets. Everything will be the not registrable articles. So next will be the labels, tokens, stamps, and flags, emblem, signs of any countries, computer icons, parts of the article which is not manufactured by the separately. So this should be that the workshop alteration should be made here and there, and the integrated circuits, basic shapes, variations which should be commonly used in the trades. So there will be changes in the size. These are all the things or articles will not be registrable. Next, what is trademark? So the trademark means that is the name of the enterprise or mark capable of being represented by graphically, which is distinguish the goods or service. For example, Maruti, Tata, TVS, Bajaj, everything will be under the trademark. So the trademark can be sign, words, letters, numbers, drawings, pictures, emblems, shape of goods, graphical representation, combination of the above, everything will be comes under the products. So these all the things will be applied to the article or product, and that is denoted as a trademark. What are the kinds of trademarks? So there are some 6 types of trademarks: service marks, certification marks, collective marks, well-known marks, shape trademarks, sound trademarks. Let me see one by one. The first thing will be the service marks. So service marks means that is it is main thing this trademark is used in a business, that is for actual goods under the markets. For example, computer hardware and softwares, assembly and maintenance, restaurant and hotel services, courier and transport, beauty and health care, advertising, publishing, educational, etc. So, for example, we can say about Vidarsana, eBay, Flipkart, Myntra, etc. So, we can order through online. So, these all the things will be comes under the service marks. Certification marks. So, certification marks means that is define the standard value. Okay. So, when you are giving the product means we have to give a certification for that products. If any person or anything, anyone buying the any product or things in a market means for that product they have a certified. So that will persons or peoples will be buy that products. So this will make their more effective. So likewise, for example, we can say hallmark, woolmark, agmark, etc. So in jewels they have mentioned the hallmark. Okay, so that all things will be comes under the certification marks. Next thing will be the collective marks. So collective mark is this trademark will distinguish the goods or services, that is association from the marks of other undertakings. So we have to manufacturers, the producers, suppliers, traders, etc. and also the provision bodies like Institute of Chartered Accountants. So the company secretaries, everything will be comes under the collective marks. Well-known marks. So well-known marks means that is the marks which are deemed to be well-known. So that is some of the marks which are enjoying the greater protections. So that is the persons will not be able to register or use the marks. For example, we can say that is Infosys, KitKat, Bajaj, Toshiba, Nirma, Pepsi, Philips, etc. So these all the things will be comes under the well-known marks. Shape trademarks. So shape trademarks means that is the graphical representation of the trademarks that is capable of distinguishing the mark from competing entities, that is called shape trademarks. Sound trademark means that is the signatures which will tune on familiar sounds. For example, we can say Yahoo, Yodel, ICICI Bank, Jingle. So likewise, so many jingles and sounds are occur. So all the things will be comes under the trademark, sound trademarks. Geographical indications. So geographical indication is that it will identify the goods as agricultural goods, natural goods, manufactured goods, everything. So it is mainly manufactured or originate from the territory of the country. So likewise that will be denoted under the geographical indication. So first of all, it will represent the quality, reputations, characteristics, everything of the goods. For example, we can say Kanjipuram silk, Tirupati laddu, Tirunelveli halwa, etc. So these all the things are valid for 10 years only. After 10 years completed, we have to renew the geographical indication act. Thank you.